Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you my top art supply recommendations for creating fashion illustration. No matter if you are new or you are professional, those recommendations will help you create stunning fashion illustrations. If you are new to this channel, my name is Rongrong DeVoe. I am a full-time fashion illustrator. If you want to know my top recommendations to create art commissioned by Louis Vuitton, Chanel, keep on watching. My name is Rongrong DeVoe and I am a fashion artist. Let's talk about markers, especially Copic markers. I understand they are pricey. It's about $6 each in US, and perhaps this is more for the professional level. If you're just starting out, I recommend you to try some alternative options, which you can find the link down below. But maybe also I can share some benefits about Copic marker, and maybe you can think about it's worth the investment. So first, the vibrant colors. There's a huge range of Copic markers colors. And this is just some of them, they're not all of them. And what I find is the Copic markers are highly pigmented. So that means when you draw on the paper, the colors are really saturated, vibrant. It just creates very beautiful pieces. The color looks so nice. The second benefit is the refillable. You know, even though it's $6 each on the market, but what I usually do is I bought their refills. I have a large collection of the refills where even though I buy $6, but I buy this one, I think it's $4 or $5, which I can keep refilling. So it's very, in my opinion, it's very cost effective as well. The third benefit is that the Copic marker blendability is amazing. That means you can blend different colors together, create a beautiful, smooth gradient effect. The fourth benefit about Copic marker is that they are alcohol-based, so which means they dry very, very fast. You don't have to wait like you waiting for oil-based markers to dry, or you don't have to worry about creating smudges. Okay, in conclusion, I know they're pricey, but if you decide to invest in some Copic markers, I recommend you to start slowly. Add a few pieces every week, every month, every year. And then I also recommend you to start with some basic skin colors. The skin colors from Copic markers are the best. I have tried many ways to find the best option to storage those Copic markers. In the beginning, I was using those white pen storage I bought from a small business. But as my collection grew, I found the clear marker holder from Amazon, which you can find the link down below, to storage my markers the best way. It sold as 14 those small clear racks, so this is 3 sets. I bought 3 times because they just keep growing. Based on your collection, how many you have, you can buy 1 set, 2 sets, 3 sets, or if you have more, you can keep adding it. That's the good thing about this rack, is you can build as big or as small as you want. One thing is that because it's like you stack them up, so it's very easy to fall apart. That's why I use clear tape to tape them as 1 set and 2 sets. So that way it allows me to move them easier than like 1 by 1 stack up. It was very easy to fall apart. I also want to show you this travel marker storage bag. I use it to go different cities. Sometimes I have to travel to New York or LA for different events. And this bag allows me to move all these markers to here and hop on a plane and ready to sketch. Let's talk about paper. I have been an artist my entire life, and professionally, this is my 9th year. So you know I have been testing a lot of paper. And my all-time favorite is this one, introducing Bristol Smooth Paper from Fabrino. I absolutely love this paper. I use 11 by 14 and then 9 by 12, both sides. And they are just the best quality of paper. It's very smooth with just the right amount of tools. And it allows me to use my Copic marker blend so well. It's way better than any other brand that I have tried before. As far as the pencil goes, I usually use a lighter graph like H to do my initial sketch. And then after I color with Copic, I like to use multi-liner and then this Pigma brush pen from Sakura to add a variety of outlines on my artwork to finish it up. There are a few more recommendations in the link down below, so check them out as well. Now you know all my secrets, all my top recommendations to create your next beautiful fashion illustration. You may be thinking about then how can I make a living as a fashion illustrator, or what type of job I can get as a fashion illustrator. You might want to check out this video because I break down all the ways you can monetize your skill. Until next time, happy creating!